Today we talk about how can you add your email or on your Remit app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Remit app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for your list like this here. Then you click in this sign and just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. You just click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on add phone or email. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Click here on email. So then it's going to take you to this list and here add your email here. We just add your email, so then you click here on next. Then it's going to send to you a code you added, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.